We're gonna make another video, and today we're gonna be doing a fidget haul with all my favorite fidgets and my least favorite fidgets. So let's start with my poppets first. So I have this unicorn poppet. It's good sounds. I saw a lot of YouTubers do it, so I thought maybe I should try it. And I got this one for my best friend, so shout out to Nabella. Thank you so much. So that's one, and then we have the kitty poppet. Those two are my favorites. I have another favorite, but this one pops so good. This is the bad side. I should say the quiet side. Now the other side. Ooh. This pops really loud. So there's that one. And then we have this Among Us puppet. This one's also my favorite because it's cyan and purple. So let's pop this one. I won't be popping all of them because it takes a little. This is that one, and then the other one is this glow in the dark dino puppet. It's this one. It's so cool. This is also my favorite. Let's just do it on this side here. Then flip it over. It's not the greatest puppet in the world, but it's still a puppet. Ready, tail. Don't sound like I farted, but I promise I didn't fart. And then these are all my puppets now. They just sound like that one over there, so I think I'm gonna do my new puppets under this one. And the cat. My favorite and then my least favorite. I had another one, but I traded it away to my best friend. He's making the puppets bracelet. So that's that one. And then let's go on with my mother mask. So I have this pink one. I'm not having any fidgets, but that's okay. So pink one. I have this blue one. Cotton candy colors. And then I have this red one. Then my pop tubes. So it's kind of hard holding the camera this way, so I'm going to have to switch it this way. It goes. Yeah?
Is your room clean?
No, not yet. No.
Can you just tidy your room up out of your chore today?
Yeah. Okay, so this one, and I have this one. They all sound the same, so. Next one. I have more. Let's do bike chain. So I have this bike chain right here. That's one. Then we have a monkey noodle. Just that. And we have this. Oops, this. I don't know what it's called yet. We have these monkey noodles. We have this mochi. So we have this one. Pink one. Ow, it hurt my freaking finger. But it's pink. I have another one that looks like my cat Belle. This one. And we have this one. I got more of them. I just don't know where I had them at. This pea potter. Oops. Pea potter. And then we got this. Probably like the loudest fidget that I know. Let's do this with it. No, it's not going into the bag. So we have this fidget. It's supposed to get in a hole, I guess. But it's still moving on. So then we have this one. Now let's move on to the bag. There we go. So next one, we have this one. Don't know, I forget what it's called. But yeah, we have this one. And then, this is my favorite fidget. Down the back. And then put that one over there. And then I have.
I need to come get your backpack down.
I also have this mochi. And another one of these. And another one of these. Okay. I have an infinity cube. Like that. And these are two. This broken infinity cube. I can't find the rest of those things, but yeah. And then the other piece. So anyways, these are all my fidgets. And these are all my puppets. I hope you guys liked this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, bye. Make sure we get this video to 10,000 views. I know that's a lot, but let's try. And also, let's try to get let's try to get to 3,000 subscribers. Bye.